Yep, button is on.
All right. So I was given the Ice Bucket Challenge by two individuals, Glenn Rogers and Justin Brown. And so to both of you, I have accepted the challenge. I want to point out a couple of things. One, we got a video from Mickey Jackman up in Canada. And Mickey had some buckets that we in Texas would call pails, very small. So I'd like to point out that this is actually what we call a bucket in Texas, and that's the size. Now, Kate, if you'll come a little closer, I have a infrared thermometer here, and the water temperature in that water is 39 degrees right now. So I'm going to take the bucket challenge with 39 degree water. So the water is cold, there is ice in it, and that is a large bucket of water.
And I'm going to be dumping it on him.
So, a couple of things. One is I will make my donation as well. So I'm not just going to take the challenge, but I'm also going to pledge money. My money's going to go to a little bit of a different deal. A couple of weeks ago, Sydney and I had the privilege of meeting a photographer who took Sydney's senior picture, and her brother is actually Steve Gleason. Steve Gleason is a former NFL football player who actually suffers from ALS. And so the donation that I'm going to give, I'm actually going to give to Team Gleason directly, which will benefit his family and also help support ALS research. So happy to do that on their part. I don't know whether after dumping 39 degree water I'm going to be able to talk or not. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you who I'm going to call out. And so my three individuals are, first of all, I'm going to call out Lakeland Color Guard's Senior Lieutenant Sydney Ruff, my daughter. So I will call her out, and I will tell you guys that I will end up probably writing the check for her for the donation part, but I still expect her to dump ice water over the top of her head. I'm going to call out my best friend since I was 13 years old, Don Rhodes in Columbia, Maryland, and I will be posting this to Facebook as well. And then I'm going to call out Steve Jedi Davis from Crew 216 here in Frisco, Texas. So those are my three. Sydney Ruff, Don Rhodes, and my buddy Steve Davis. Okay.
I might need some help.
Good luck.
Ready?
Okay, wait.
Oh!
And thanks everybody, appreciate it.